Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Task View with Win Plus tab, so you can see each virtual desktop and every open window. This reveals what must move or close. Once visible, pick the desktop you want to remove and inspect its apps so you don't lose work. If apps must stay open, drag them to a different desktop thumbnail. Make sure to save documents first, because closing a desktop will relocate or close its windows depending on your action. Once the target desktop is clear or its windows have been moved, you can remove it. Click the X in the desktop thumbnail to close that desktop. Windows will either move open apps to the nearest desktop or prompt you to save. This depends on app state. For keyboard users, press Ctrl plus Win plus F4 to close the active virtual desktop immediately. If an app refuses to move, use Alt plus Tab or Task Manager to close it safely. Then, to finish, verify every important file is saved and that apps are now on the correct desktop. This prevents lost work after removal. If the desktop count doesn't update or thumbnails linger, restart Windows Explorer, open Task Manager, find Explorer, EXE and restart it or sign out and back in. Once done, reboot if problems persist. As a last resort, save work and reboot the system. That clears stuck sessions and ensures the virtual desktop you removed no longer appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.